Now let us talk about manual targeting. Since manual targeting is completely controlled by the seller, this type of campaign can become very effective when used properly. In manual targeting, sellers choose the search keywords or product targets where they want their advertisements to appear. Manual targeting usually includes two main approaches. The first is keyword targeting, where sellers select specific search keywords. These keywords can be added as broad match, phrase match, or exact match depending on how precisely the seller wants to target search queries. The second approach is product targeting, where sellers can target specific product pages or entire product categories. Because sellers choose the keywords themselves, they can focus their advertisements on search terms that are closely related to their product. This gives sellers much more control over where their advertisements appear. However, because sellers must research and select these keywords themselves, some beginners find manual targeting slightly more complicated and time-consuming compared to automatic campaigns.